Hey everyone, I am going to whip up whipped lemonade. This is kind of like a creamy lemon slushy. Your kids are gonna love it, and I think I might even have a trick up my sleeve to make it a little more fun for the adults too, so stay tuned. All right, to get this drink started, the first thing we're gonna do is make a lemon flavored simple syrup. So for that, we gotta go over to our stove. So we're just heating this over medium heat, equal parts granulated sugar and water. Then you wanna bring this mixture to a simmer and make sure you stir it occasionally. That's just gonna help the sugar dissolve. All right, so now we've got a little simmer going. We are going to add the zest of 1 lemon. I am using a peeler to get large pieces of lemon because this is just gonna make it a lot easier to strain out the zest. Just be careful not to get too much of this white pith. That part's gonna be really bitter. Turn off the heat, and then you're gonna wanna cover it and set it aside for about an hour. And here is that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and strain mine using a fine mesh sieve. And this is why I like to use those large pieces of zest. But now you have this delicious looking, lemony smelling simple syrup that we're gonna use in this drink. You're gonna put half a cup into your blender, half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then you're going to do 1 cup of full fat coconut milk. And this is gonna give a really good whipped consistency. Okay, so I've got 2.5 cups of ice here that I'm just gonna add to the blender. Let this run until the ice has been crushed up into a slushy consistency. All right, so you don't wanna blend it too far. Let's pour some of this into a glass here so we can give it a try. Ooh, that is so good. There's so much coconutty flavor blending in to like tone down the sourness of the lemon. It's really creamy and frothy. I could see this giving you a really good milk mustache. So this would be a really fun drink to make with the kids in the summer, or if you prefer it for happy hour, I've got an idea. Okay, this is officially an adult-only zone. You guys wanna take it up a notch? Try adding a shot of vodka in there. Alcohol does have a basically non-existent freezing point, so it is gonna melt your drink a little bit, but it'll be worth it. Ah, tastes like college. Highly recommend this. Go get your frothy whipped lemonade on, vodka optional. Yum, babe, you want some of this drink?